Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install your games, updates and DLCs on your modded PS4. You should know that all three of these things come in a package format, specifically a .pkg file. Now there are two different types of package files. There are retail package files and then fake package files. The retail files are the ones downloaded from Sony's PSN store. These are signed with the legitimate licenses that Sony gives out. Fake package files are files that have been unlocked for games that jailbroken consoles can run without the proper licenses. So when we have game rips available, we're going to need to go over to our computer and check these package files to make sure that they are indeed the fake package files. So let's head over to the computer and I'll show you how to do that. So what you want to do is go into the description below and download the PS4 PKG Viewer and open it up. You'll get a window like this, and now we want to go to File, Open, and open which game we want. So today I'm going to be installing Minecraft Dungeons. So I'm going to go here and get the package file for the base game. So you can see here it says fake, which tells us that we can use this game, this package file, on our jailbroken PS4. Something important to check is also that the title ID of your base game and update matches. So we're going to take note here of this title ID. We can see it's 18797, and then we're going to open our update and go down, and we can see it's also 18797, and it says fake as well. This tells us that we can use this base game and this update together, and they're going to work as expected. You can do the same and check through the DLCs. So if I want to go to the Nether DLC, you can see here again 18797. Once we've checked those, we're going to go ahead and copy all of the files we want to install over to our USB drive. Then we're going to head over to the console, put the USB drive in the console, and I'll show you how to install them with GoldHEN. So over here on the PS4 we can see it's jailbroken because it says GoldHEN. So with the USB inserted, we want to go over to Settings and go down to Debug Settings. If you don't have debug settings, it's probably because you didn't set up GoldHEN with the settings I recommended. So I did make a video on this, how to set up GoldHEN properly, so a link to that video will be in the description below. Once you've followed that video, go ahead and go into Debug Settings, go to Game. So now we go into Package Installer, and you can see here we have all of our packages. So we have the base game, we have the update on all of the DLCs. So what we're going to do is come over here and click Install All, so click X on this, and then go over and click OK. Now this is going to install all of the package files onto our console. Okay, so the installation process is done, so now we can click the PlayStation button, and we see here we have the game installed with the update file. Let's give the game a launch and make sure it works. So here we are loading into the game, and it all looks to be working. So the game seems to be working correctly with our update file and our DLC. So that is how we install games to the console. It's pretty straightforward. Another thing I'd like to mention is that there is an error in some cases that if you have a game and an update, even if they are the same title ID, you may get an error and be unable to install them. Now from what I understand, this seems to be when the game and update are either downloaded from different sources, or maybe they've been ripped separately on different consoles. If this becomes an issue, what we need to do is remarry the update and the game base file. So in the link in the description below, I'm going to leave a download to PS4 tools. So what you're going to do to remarry these games is come over here, click on run.cmd. Then this window is going to pop up and it's going to start a download. So to use this tool, what we can do is come over to one of our games. I'm going to use Minecraft Dungeons again, and we're going to highlight the update and the base game file, right click, and click Show More Options on Windows 11. Go to PS4 Tools, and then click Remarry. And what this is going to do is run a command prompt, and it's going to unpack the update and the game, and remarry them, and then package them all back together. I just thought this was something to add just in case you have a game which you've confirmed are the same game, the update and the base game file, and you've confirmed they're the same game ID. If they still don't run, then this is definitely something to give a go. And that is going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully now you can install your games, DLCs and updates on your jailbroken PS4. Make sure to subscribe, check out my other tutorials on the PS4 playlist, and I'll see you next time.